Next airdrop we're going to do is called ieos. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. It's a $50 airdrop. In the description box below there'll be a link. You can click on it. It will take you right to this Telegram bot. Just click start on the bot. Just click on join the airdrop. Type in the CAPTCHA. And we will go here and we will follow all these tasks. The first thing we're going to do on this is we're going to go to their register on Whitebit with this link. So we're going to go here, put our email in, put your password, confirm your password, click agree, and then you're going to click on register, and I will pop the video back up right after that. Most likely we're going to have to confirm an email. Now I've done that, we're going to click on register. It's going to ask you to verify this. You just slide this thing over like that. This looks like it might be a pretty good platform because it's blocking everything coming through. It sent something to your email, like I said, so you're going to go to your email. You're going to go to your email and confirm the link. And it will send you right to their exchange after. You just got to sign into your account. I actually did this one before, about 6 or 7 days ago. I just didn't confirm my email. Maybe the email took a while to get through. So we'll move on to the next part of this, but make sure you confirm your email on this. Register on this. Just put in your email here, send verification code next. Then click here on get verification code. Okay, it's sent. The account already exists. Okay, so I've probably got an account here. And I think I do with these guys. So just make sure you sign up for this. Put in your password, confirm your password. Make sure you confirm your email. I'm going to go to the login page just to make sure I got an account here. So I'm going to just log into my account and I'll pop it back up. Well, I do have an account at both. I'm just waiting for it to log in. We'll see what happens. We'll click on the Telegram channel. I've already signed up for the round 1. I just didn't post it. And we'll join the channel as well here. So when you come here on the group one, make sure you come down here and click on join. And then we will follow on Twitter. So we'll open this up. I think we're already following. I'm not sure if we retweeted the pinned post or not. It looks like a new post. So we'll do that. And we will retweet this. I want to make sure we're doing this right though. And so we'll make sure we like it. We'll give this a retweet here. Then we'll come here, we'll go to their advertisers channel. I don't know who these guys are. Yeah, be careful of these ones. You never know. Some of these guys aren't. We've got a lot of scam ones going through. So I'd follow these guys. And now it says to submit your Telegram username. With that being said, some of these groups just run those bots through. And they just have bots that have the Ethereum doubler. Stay away from that stuff. That's just ridiculous. And they want you to send all this money. So I want you to put your email address that you registered for both those exchanges. And you'll just copy and paste that right into there. Then I want your Twitter username next. And you're just going to copy and paste your Twitter username right into there. Next I want your Ethereum wallet address. So just copy and paste your Ethereum wallet address in there. Click on next. Data saved successfully. You can check your balance of what you have. You got 75 IEOS. This is worth 50 bucks. That's the end of this airdrop. We're off on to the next one. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and you can share this with your friends as well.